Hi, my name's Funke Bella, aka Mrs. Fabulous, aka Fabulous Funky, the one and only wife of MC Tunde Bella. Welcome to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, welcome! And if you're a returning subscriber and you're back for more, thank you so much. Thank you for coming back. So ladies and gentlemen, my hairband and earrings are a set that was made by MyFruitfulFingers. She does this hairband, earring and face mask set in different colors and in different designs. So if you visit a Etsy store, you'll be able to purchase one for yourself or one as a present for somebody. I'll put a link in the description box how you can get yours. Thanks. So ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be making a sweet potato pottage. So sweet potato is a root vegetable and I love sweet potatoes. I love sweet potatoes, but I'm constantly frying sweet potatoes. And frying is not the best way to consume sweet potatoes. So I had a look on Sisi Yemi's page and she made sweet potato into a porridge. And I thought that's a great idea. So I made it and I used smoked turkey as my protein. It was really delicious. It was so nice. I thought, I'm going to show you because you need to make delicious dishes like this as well. So today we're making sweet potato pottage. But this time around, I'm switching the protein up for mackerel, steamed mackerel. So this is the sweet potato I'm gonna be using. And we're going to have mackerel as the protein side. So I already steamed the mackerel and I deboned the mackerel. So halfway through the cooking process, I'm going to add the mackerel into the sauce. So to start off the cooking, we need some peppers. So I'm gonna use some red bell peppers, some onions, some garlic, and some scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to blend that into a semi-smooth paste, and that's going to be the base of our sauce for the sweet potato porridge. And I also need some tomato puree. I need some seasoning, some salt, and here I'm going to be using today rapeseed oil. Feel free to use sunflower oil, olive oil, coconut oil, but today it's rapeseed oil time. So we're going to start by blending our peppers. We'll start off the sauce, making the sauce, and then I'm going to start peeling my potatoes. Stay with me. Okay, so now I'm going to start blending the peppers, and I've cut the peppers into smaller sizes so they can blend easily. And I don't want to blend it too smooth. Remember I said that earlier on. So I'm gonna be using the juice from this blend to blend the rest. Okay, so we're done blending the peppers. Okay, so now that we're done blending our pepper, we're going to start making the sauce. And as I said earlier, I'm going to be using rapeseed oil to make this. So I've got some in here in this container. So I just heat that up a little bit. And then I chopped up some onions earlier on. So I'm gonna fry that lightly in the oil. Okay, so next I'm going to add my chopped up onion. It was just a small onion into the oil. Oops. I'm just going to fry the onion till it's a little bit transparent. I don't like raw onion in anything, so it has to be cooked. But I can feel the flavor coming out already, so I know it's nearly done. Okay, next I'm going to add the pepper blend that we made earlier. And then I'm gonna add the tomato puree. And to the sauce now, I'm going to add a little bit of salt and seasoning cube. Stir all that to combine nicely. I'm gonna put the lid on and leave it to cook for about 10 minutes. Okay, so now that our sauce is cooking over there nicely, we'll leave it to just do its thing. I'm going to start peeling the sweet potatoes. So I'm going to peel the potatoes and I'm going to cube them because they're gonna go in the sauce next. So, nice. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes that our sauce has been cooking and it's reduced nicely and it's cooked to the way we want it. Look. So the next thing we're going to do now is to add our potatoes. So I peeled the potatoes and I cut them up into smaller sizes and I'm going to put them in the sauce now. So I'm going to mix the sweet potatoes thoroughly in the sauce and then I'm going to add a little bit of water. Cook it for about 10 minutes. Try not to overcook your sweet potatoes. And try not to add too much water. Okay, mix it thoroughly and I'm gonna add a little bit of water. Just enough to cook the potatoes. Cover it and allow it to cook. Okay, so our sweet potatoes have been cooking in the sauce for about 12 minutes. It was a little over 10 minutes this time. There were a little bit more potatoes, but they're now done. We're going to have a quick look. Okay, so I'm gonna go in now with a wooden spoon because I want to sort of test how done they are by trying to break them up. They should just break easily. And that's it. Can you see that? They break in so easily. It's so saucy. It looks so delicious. I can't wait to tuck in. So next I'm going to add our steamed and deboned mackerel. You can use any protein of your choice. Last time I told you I used smoked turkey. You can use chicken, you can use beef, anything. So that goes in. And earlier on in the break, I cut up a bit of basil. I'm just going to sprinkle that over it and leave that to just simmer with everything just for 1 more minute and then we'll serve. So I'll put the lid back just for 1 minute and then we're done. Ladies and gentlemen, our sweet potato pottage blended with mackerel and garnished with basil is ready for us to enjoy. Let me serve it and show you. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we're now done cooking. If you notice, this has been sitting in the corner of the set all throughout the recording. It's because I was saving best for last. I'm going to wash down my sweet potato pottage with this Van Per malt drink. This is a very nutritious drink, a nutritious drink for a nutritious meal. That's what I'm going to do. I left it out in room temperature so it's not too cold. So Van Per malt drink, that's the drink to go for when you're eating healthy, drinking healthy. Right, so if you like what I did, please click the like button. If you're not subscribed to our channel yet, I don't understand what you're waiting for. Don't you love this? I'm sure you do. Please subscribe. And if you've got anything to say to us here, comment section is the place to be. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye. The only thing left now is for me to eat and drink. Take care. Bye.